Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're drawing George Pig, and he's got his favorite toy, Dinosaur. Draw two big eyes. Wow, he looks like he just saw a giant chocolate cake. Let's start with George's round little head. Don't forget his adorable snout and tiny ears. And of course, that cheeky smile. George is always giggling. His legs are so tiny, like toothpicks with shoes on. Now here comes the best part, Mr. Dinosaur. Look at him go. He's got those tiny legs, a long tail, and those big zigzaggy dinosaur teeth. Don't worry, he's not scary. Unless you're a broccoli. George loves Mr. Dinosaur so much, he probably takes him to brush his teeth. Time to color. George gets his usual soft pink. Look at that smile. George is thinking, hee hee, I might jump in a muddy puddle after this. George's cheeks are so pink, he must have just run away from Peppa tickling him. His blue shirt, and tiny black shoes. George is probably saying it right now. Dinosaur. He's a bright shiny yellow. And there we go, good George and his best dino buddy are ready for another big adventure. Probably involving muddy puddles. Splash. And red. Like and subscribe to watch such more videos. Bye.